What's up guys, it's Alva and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cool after kill effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, crop your clip down to how much you want it and remove the ending part at the end. After you do that, you want to find the frame where you take out your shotgun to get the kill. I kind of messed up here because I thought the shotgun clip was a bit earlier, but yeah, it wasn't. So this is just me finding the wrong frame, but yeah. Okay, yeah, so I found the actual frame now, and now what you want to do is you want to split the clip there, the first frame of when you take out your shotgun, and then split it again when you shoot like the bullets from your shotgun or your anything. Yeah, and then clip it there, and then go to the middle of the clip that you just cut and split it again. The first part that you cut, you want to make the speed of that 0.5x. Just speed normal 0.5x, and then the second part of the clip, you want to go to speed normal and make it 2x. So it kind of gives that velocity kind of effect. And then after that, the last part of the clip where you actually kill the person, you want to go to animation, comp in, and then press rock vertical and make it 0.5 seconds to a second. Yeah, that's your choice. After you're done with that, find the part where you kill, like you know the red elimination bar pops up. So add a keyframe there, and then add another keyframe when the blue, you know the shield thing that pops up when you get the elimination. Yeah, put another keyframe there when the blue thing reaches the top of your head. Then go to the first keyframe and go to adjust and add brightness to 100, contrast to 100, and exposure to 100. So basically it makes it look like this. Just see it. Velocity, and then yeah. So if it's too fast, which it probably is, then you want to go to the clip and probably add another keyframe a bit later so that it takes a bit longer, and then remove the second keyframe so it'll be a bit longer like this, so it stays longer, and then just export it at whatever resolution you want and export, and just wait for this to export. This is what the final clip should look like. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood this tutorial. Be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!